It's showtime!
I'm all set up, ready to get going. And I'm out here at my local flying field. And I'm gonna give it a shot. Haven't flown this in a while. Let me tell you, I still got my Heparon 320 and it should work, but I'm not 100% sure if, yeah, I still got it all. I gotta set it all up now. I will get back to you. I got a problem. I don't have my cable, and I thought I had it all in the bag and they slid out. It's on my charger at home. So yeah, my transmitter's on and it's on Sports Cub. And yeah, I don't think this is going to fit in there and hold on as the way I want it to, for the reason of I got the Velcro on the battery and plug it in. Haven't really, let's put this up this way. Okay, we're all set up and put this in. Doesn't give you enough time to do this. I don't like floor launches, and let's have some fun. Like I said, I don't like floor launches because I'm not sure how it goes. So let me just again recall. There we go. There we go. That's intermediate right there. See the switches? That's what I want to be on. Vicious flying. My motor's still good. It's just I gotta get a new one. Gonna crash. Let's see if I could go up. It's been such a long time. It don't have the power. It just got enough power to get up there. There we go. The way I love flying, right there. That's the way I remember flying, nice and slow. Oh yeah, baby. Beautiful turns. She does need trimming because I'm really not on the controls that much. Now I got it straight. Don't want to go super high. Beautiful. Yeah. Height is your friend. When you fly towards the ground, that's when everything starts to give you headaches. My trim was a little bit off there because you just heard me straighten it. There we go. Nice and low to the ground. Ailerons, give it some gas, get it up there. You don't have much power, I'm giving it gas. Ooh, the wind quarter. Ah yeah, look at that big boy. That's called self-upright. That's a special feature I got. And my 5-minute countdown. Let's do a takeoff. If I got enough power. Nope, not enough power. Let's do that self-upright again. Ready? Not this time. I don't want to do it. It's gonna make me walk. I had a good time. I'm waiting for a $1.98 motor that I had to pay tax on today with eBay. and it's 8.5 by 20 millimeter with the 1-inch diameter of the shaft, and it will fit in. I don't think I'm going to be happy flying with this motor and such a short burst of power. It was difficult to maneuver and get up. With the Raiden, you don't really need power. It's all about gliding, and I don't think I want to go to the Champ because it's a little smaller, but the Raiden would be a lot easier for me to carry because it's like this size of a box, a little longer but not as tall, very foldable. So I hope this video was to your liking, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe.